Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a wonderful starter, or you can call it an appetizer. This particular recipe was something that I experimented with and it tasted amazing and I had to share it with all of you. So we're going to make these delicious chicken cones and we're going to wrap them in nice steamed cabbage leaves. So why wait? Let's get started and check out the recipe. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, a small piece of ginger finely chopped, 2 green chilies cut up. Next I'm going to add the vegetables, starting with 1 medium-sized carrot finely chopped. So you can see we've chopped it very fine. Make sure whatever vegetables you're using, chop them nice and fine. A few beans finely chopped, 1 cup of cabbage finely chopped, a piece of capsicum finely chopped. Keeping the flame on high, we're going to stir fry all the ingredients. To the vegetables, add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper, add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, just increasing the spice a little bit. So just give that a quick mix. Now I'm going to add the chicken. For this recipe I've taken 250 grams of boneless chicken, which has been very finely chopped. I've just chopped it nice and fine. So it's not a chicken mince, I've just chopped it into small pieces. Now I'm using the breast of chicken, but you can use any boneless chicken pieces. Just make sure you chop it nice and fine. Next I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 3 teaspoons chili sauce, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon brown sugar. Adding honey and sugar just balances the flavors. So you can adjust the sauce according to your taste and the quantity of chicken that you're using. Stir fry the chicken along with all the sauces and the spices. So you can see this got a lovely rich color. Make sure you taste it. Next I'm going to add some chopped peanuts. This is going to give you a nice crunch. So if you want, you can also add chopped cashew nuts. So the peanuts are optional. If you don't have them, don't worry. So I'm going to finish off by adding some chopped spring onions and add some spring onion greens. So the chicken filling is done. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I just tasted it. The flavors are fantastic. So I'm going to turn this off and keep this aside while I prepare the cabbage leaves. So I've removed the cabbage leaves. I've taken a few leaves out of the cabbage head. So I'm going to cut in such a way that I get a cone shape once it's steamed. So none of this is going to get wasted. So whatever I cut off, I'm going to use it later. So you can just cut off this stem here, this thick stem that's there. So what happens is when we steam the cabbage leaf, it's going to be a little softer and tender, and when you roll it like a cone, it'll be easy for you to keep the filling inside. So we're just going to steam the cabbage leaves next. To steam cook the cabbage leaves, I've just taken a wide kadai. You can take any saucepan. Just pour a little water. Just add a little salt to the water. So I'm just steaming the leaves in the bamboo steamer. I'm just going to place this inside. So I'm just going to keep all of them in like that. So I'm going to steam the cabbage leaves for about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. So after 3 minutes, you can see the cabbage leaves are cooked. Remove them from the steamer. So now we're going to fill the cabbage leaves. So you can see how soft the steamed cabbage leaves are. So this makes it easy for you to roll them into cones. So I've just rolled the cabbage leaf into a cone. I'm just going to hold this in place using a spring onion stalk. This is just to keep it in place. So there you go, here you have the cone. So when you keep the filling inside, it won't fall through. So I'm just going to fill the cabbage leaf. So I'm just going to serve it in these small glasses. Just fold the leaf a little bit so it's more convenient to place the filling inside. So once you've done this, just carefully place the filling inside. So let me assure you that this particular recipe that I created is an absolutely fantastic recipe. It's got a lot of flavors and it's sure to be a super hit at your household. Wow, now those chicken cones look absolutely fantastic. Now let me tell you, the chicken filling is bursting with flavors and the nice cabbage wrap actually adds a lot of crunch to it. So enjoy this particular appetizer, try it, share it with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys.